Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Dityandu Acharya. Today I'll tell you a nice mocktail. This is the Paan based mocktail. You can try very fancy mocktail. Okay, na? That is that mocktail name is Paan Bridge. How to make the Paan Bridge mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 15 to 20 ml of Paan syrup. You can have pour a little bit of more also. Yeah, I am pouring 30 ml of Paan syrup. After that, I have to pour 120 ml of Mosami juice. Yes, the 120 ml of Mosami juice already I added. Then you have to pour 10 to 15 ml of okay lemon juice. Okay. After that, you have to pour some ice cube, 6 to 8 cube of ice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly with the pan and pan flavor. This is very fancy mocktail. You can try. Okay. Then take you take any type of fancy glass and you have to pour the okay. After that, what you'll do? Take a small decanter and you have to pour 5 ml of grenadine syrup and you have to fill the glass with soda. Okay, you can add some more soda. Okay, then slowly you have to pour on the top. Yeah, the fancy color. Two layer. Yes. Your mocktail is ready. You can garnish the mocktail with like mosam slices or pan patta, but I am not having that one. That's I'm garnishing with lime slice and yes. See, this is very fancy mocktail. You can try. This is a pan based mocktail. Okay, I hope you like the best mocktail. This is the Paan Bridge. The mocktail name is Paan Bridge. Okay, how to make that mocktail? You have to add pan syrup, mosami juice, lemon juice. Simply, you have to top up with grenadine syrup and soda. So that two layer will be purple. This is very fancy mocktail. By seeing, you can understand how the mocktail will be there. Okay, na? Okay, please try this mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please cheers and thank you. Cheers.